Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
What was that? 2630 pounds?
Good job. Good job. You got
2630.
Good. Good. That was tough.
No problem.
Good girl. Good girl.
She gets some lovey-dovey. He loves that doggy. This one's gonna pull it no problem. She's strong.
Come, right here, keep coming, good girl.